Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In this video we're going to take a closer look at one of the fundamental forging exercises, which is an upset square corner. So like with anything that we want to bend, we're going to go over the edge of the anvil, or we will go over the horn of the anvil and we will start a nice shallow bend. After that we're going to work with preceding hammer blows, not overly hard, but kind of like more like light tapping blows, and trying to take and forge the material into the outside corner. Now as we forge on this, the inside corner will develop a lot quicker than the outside corner. That is something that we want to watch out for. So please watch out for driving the bar stock into the sharp corner of the anvil, as that will relate to having a cold shut later on, or a stress riser in the material. So as you can see, we're still hammering on it and we're starting to get closer to shape. An upset corner, the real trick to an upset corner is planishing out the outside surface of the material while supporting the inside surface of the material. So needing to push more material, I'm going over and quenching off the end of it, as you can see there, because I'm trying to push more material into that mystical outside corner there. So you'll see while I'm working, this really isn't like I'm trying to murder this thing. I'm not trying to just slam this thing out. It takes time to get an upset square corner. So you have to let the material move slowly but surely and get it to peen out into the corner in where you need it. Now in this particular application, like you're seeing me working it here, this is very short and truncated on the end of a bar because this is the easiest upset corner to practice, to get yourself familiarized with the steps involved with planishing out the corner. Obviously, a more practical use case for an upset square corner like this would be somewhere in like the middle of a bar, but the process is exactly the same, whether you're on the end of the bar or you're in the middle of the bar, bending it and needing a right angle or a 90-degree corner. It's still the same. So just keep that in mind, that the hammer blows and the strokes and the principle of what you're trying to do is exactly the same. You're trying to planish that outside surface material into the negative space where that square corner should be. Now, as we upset things, there's always, as you upset material, it's always going to move around in different areas, so it's going to thicken other areas that we don't want. So it will require thinning back down. It is my suggestion when you're working on upset corners to start, is just worry about getting the corner thickness first at the expense of, say, the bar thickening up, and then thin the bar out away from that upset square corner. And then that will help you produce a very clean upset square corner that looks almost factory made when it's all said and done, like as if it was welded or something like that, or stamped out at a perfect right angle. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some value. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below, and I always encourage you to subscribe. That's it for today. God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.